I could drive as well as CJ, man, I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Hey, homie, what's up?
Hey, what you saying about me, fool?
What's up, man?
I'm saying that the East Coast made you drive like an idiot, fool. Man, you always crashing cars and shit. And for some reason now you back. All it is CJ drive here, CJ drive there. Bullshit.
Man, why don't you just take it easy?
No disrespect, man, but you can't drive for shit.
Thanks, man. Nah. Say what you really mean.
You such a good gunman, homie. You gotta ride shotgun. Show CJ what's cracking.
Hey, you know something? You right. Yeah, CJ, you can drive, homie.
He's tripping.
It's your funeral, asshole.
$200, man.
Where we going, homie?
Rolling Heights Ballers Country.
Do us a little drive-by, huh? You know something, matter of fact, you are chauffeur for this little gig. Come on.
G, thanks, G.
Just don't drive like no fool. Man, what'd I tell y'all? Told you he was a buster. You driving like a geriatric.
Raise up, dude. Move your blooming ass.
Ah, jeez.
Oh, this fool. Shit.
Yeah, Ballers Turf. You dogs ready?
Yeah, for sure, I'm ready.
Carl, just concentrate on the driving, and we'll take care of the shooting.
Listen to the man, fool, and try not to park us up a tree or something.
Yeah, if the car stops, we dead meat. Stab out of here, CJ. Speed it up a little, we sick.
We iced him, CJ. Let's hunt down some more.
Carl, don't run out on me again. Let's roll! CJ, I warned your ass. Move it, CJ. That was way too easy. Let's go blast on some more baller food. Carl, don't run out on me again. Stab out of here, CJ. Speed it up a little, we're sitting.
What you waiting for, CJ? Find us some more ballers so we can cap them. Get us the hell out of here.
Carl, don't run out on me again. Move it, CJ. Stab out of here, CJ. Smash on it, Carl, smash.
Get us the hell out of here.
Carl, don't run out on me again.
You want me to smash you now?
Like, come on.
You out your mind, moron?
If I had room to drive, I'd blast you. Places I gotta be.
Yeah, Grover's back, man. Grover's back.
Yeah, for sure. They was slipping, man.
Man, I'm shocked you ain't get us killed, CJ. Let me check myself. Am I dead?
Hey, Carl, ignore that motherfucker. You did good today. You're down with the Grove and the ballers know it. So watch yourself from now on, CJ.
Yeah, for sure. You know that. I'll see y'all later.
Here, take this. Go get yourself some beers.
I put in more work than any man. Let's go clothes shopping sometime, sexy.
Please, I ain't got time to be bored by you.
Damn, it's like that?